Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need essentials now: apps, payment, and a delivery radius. Once you've installed 2-3 apps, verify your address and save one payment method to speed checkout. Set a firm budget in dollars or percent so you avoid impulse choices. Make sure to enable location and filter restaurants within 3 km to cut fees and time. Then hunt for sign-up promos and coupon codes. Applying them immediately saves money and sets you up to carry the process forward without delay. Now compare concrete options across apps. You should sort by delivery fees, estimated time, and minimum order. Prioritize restaurants offering $0 delivery or pooled deliveries to cut cost. Once you find candidates, inspect bundle meals, daily deals, and set menus because these lower the per item price. Make sure to try pickup if it saves a fee, or split orders and pool with housemates to meet minimums. After selecting, apply the best promo code before checkout and confirm expected total to avoid surprises. Place the order and immediately review the full total, adjusting tip and extras so you control the final cost. Track the delivery live and confirm ETA. If the driver or route looks wrong, message support fast. If surge pricing, missing menu items, or a checkout error appears, cancel within app limits and retry another app or choose pickup. Make sure to keep receipts and the order ID. If something goes wrong, contact support with clear facts to get a refund or redelivery quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.